Alrighty friends, we are back with another, hopefully, my actual February Boxycharm by IPSY unboxing. Holy guacamole. I feel like I need a round of applause for not jacking up the Boxycharm by IPSY. Normally I'm like, Boxycharm, IPSY, well, let's not jinx it. So I also received my second order from Shane & Pepper. So I'm going to unbox that for you guys at the end of today's video. And I just want to, if I seem off, I'm just going to address it right now. Because I'm doing a lot of filming today. But if I seem off, it's because in the background, I got some stuff going on. This week has been kind of a... And leading up to this week has been a little, one of my family members has something going on, and so we're waiting on results. So all the good positive vibes, please. I am trying to put all good things into the universe right now. So any whoosy whatsies, if I seem off, it's because I'm 100% completely off. Haven't been sleeping well because my nerves are shot. And I know a lot of you guys are going through health scares and things for you personally. I know some of you guys are healing from knee surgeries, and some of your loved ones are going through some things. And I feel you, I understand, and I'm the type of person that I will throw myself into work, which, you know, my job is also reviewing and having, I guess, like a positive personality here, but at the same time, I just want to address if I seem off and I'm not as peppy and positive as typically usual. All I can say is I'm sorry. There's just a lot going on, and you know, there's nothing worse than when you're waiting on the feedback and they're like 3 to 5 business days. It is the longest 3 to 5 business days of your mother trucking life. Anyways, on a positive note, I do want to say a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for continuing to help support the channel. If I'm behind in comments, y'all, or updates of everything, just know it's been a rough couple weeks. So I will get it together eventually. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all of your help, and for those of you clicking the thanks button, for those of you sharing my videos over on Facebook. I can't tell you how much that truly helps. Give me a follow if you would over on my other channels, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs, HOTMESS in the House, of course, Haley and I's podcast, which we're a little behind on that too. There's just been, like I said, there's just been a lot. Life is life. You know what I mean? Life doesn't stop. Anyways, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HOTMESSMOMMA4, and honestly, I've been pretty doggone active over on TikTok. TikTok is one of those things where I can literally scroll and the noise calms down in my head. Does anybody else? Okay, I know somebody's gonna be griping. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, girl, you're 3.5 minutes in. It's gonna be longer than that because I just realized I forgot to take a thumbnail. Give me a second. And then this wackadoodle weather. Literally, it's 57 degrees and we're supposed to get a ton of snow tonight. And I'm like, you can stop that right now. Punxsutawney saw his shadow or something. Okay, so this is my Boxycharm box for February. Now, if you guys saw, like, literally, I don't know when I get this done, but a week ago, I thought I had my Boxycharm. I was totally confused because it came in an original Boxycharm box. However, it was the things that I purchased right after I had made my picks, because some of you guys were like, oh, that's your flash sale stuff, and I'm like, no, that truly, honest to gosh, I made my choice picks for February, shopped, and typically it all comes together, but not that time. So anyways, we do have a cute little pamphlet. Okay, so jumping in, this is what we have. Oh my gosh, is it broken? Let's just start off with, is it broken? So this is the Ace Beauty, wait, hold on, Renee Beauté. One of you guys broke it down and was like, Renee Beauté. And I'm like, got it. Holy guacamole. Okay, that's awesome. It's not broken. This palette I think is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Rhonda, stop. I told you guys I have really bad mom jokes now. If Haley doesn't want it, I will be gifting it to you guys. But yeah, I think it is a really pretty palette. Kind of gives me like the original Huda Beauty vibes on that. Really nice, gorgeous colors. So this is the Mystique Romance palette by Ace Beauté. Next in here, I've never owned the Huda Beauty. This is the Glowish Luminous Pressed Powder in medium. Now this, and I think this palette, I think IPSY picked for me, and then everything else I chose. I'm like 99% sure. And I actually did get in there and make my choices. Do I remember my choices? Absolutely not. No. But I will say, the styles that they were having, really good. Okay, so I don't know much about this at all. I don't know why I would smell it. Oh, she's soft. Okay, so it definitely has a little bit of a radiance to it. I'm gonna try it. So like this is a Luminous Pressed Powder 05 medium. I don't know how to use this. I should probably look it up. Did I have a piece of cookie crumb on my lip that entire time? I think so. My husband got me crumble cookie because, you guys, I was watching a lot of TikTok and there's been crumble cookie left and right. So for Valentine's Day, he was like, I want you to treat yourself and enjoy these crumble cookies that I got for you. Not just one, not just two, but he freaking brought home 12. I mean, granted, it was for the children and me both, but still. My kids literally can contain themselves. Me? You would have just thought I won the mother truckin' lottery when I saw him walk in with a crumble cookie box. Yeah. Alright, so as far as the powder goes, I have no clue. I'll probably play with it more. I am excited though, like for the fact that I do feel like it's going to match me well. I do like that it is a luminous kind of powder, but I feel like it's definitely going to be one, I don't know why I stuttered so hard, definitely going to be one that I'm going to use at the very end, because I still have to use powders that kind of help my T-zone. Nobody cares. Now I'm getting in my own head. Okay, so the next thing I got was by Verb. I chose this. I had actually received it in the past, whether I don't know if they picked it for me, it was PR, whatever. But this is the Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. It's going to clarify, refresh, and balance the scalp. So once, or probably at least once a week, I do it's by Guru Nanda. It's the Beauty Nanda oil. They had like an 18 pack on TikTok. It's like $13.50. If it's still available, I will link my TikTok down below for you guys. Go pick it up out of my TikTok shop, and if you do, thank you, because I do earn some affiliate money that way. But I will do the oil treatment on my hair, put it on in the morning, go about my day. Half the time I like slick back my hair, and then when I go to wash my hair, I do this treatment by the Verb. So you put this on and you let it sit for like 10. It just really helps to break down stuff. If you're like me and you don't wash your hair every single day, like I wash it maybe twice a week, Sunday and Thursday. However, there was stuff going on, so I'm off duty tonight. I don't have to wash my hair yet. I had to wash it early because does anybody else plan their week around hair washing day? I hope so, and if that's the case, that's why we're friends. But anyways, this one, it just says that, I swear, yeah, 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes and you would rinse well. It has AHA and PHA in here, so it's really going to help with any type of buildup. So if you're using dry shampoos, if you're using hair oils, even though it's a hair oil that I use, it does have tea tree in it, which also helps with dandruff, but I just definitely want to make sure I'm not clogging anything. And let's be honest, your girl loves her Pantene now. It's been the only shampoo to bring my hair back to life, and I know a lot of people are like, that is so damaging. Trust me, I know. My oldest is a cosmetologist. I hear it all the time. But I feel like when you're desperate and your hair is literally breaking at the seams, and that's the one thing that like has held it together, even if it is silicones, like let me just live and have my long hair. So anyways, I love this stuff. Next in here I chose, and I actually have this, and I chose it because I like it. I keep lotion because the air is dry as sin, even though I have little little diffusers going everywhere in my house. Kentucky Air, plus I think it's because our heat is electric or something, and that makes the air dryer in the house. But this is a gloss something lotion, and I really like it. It smells really good too. That was the other thing. When I saw that as a choice, I'm like, oh, I remember really liking. Yeah, I really like the smell. It reminds me of like a yummy smelling conditioner from the hair salon. So anyways, yeah, so I picked that. And then lastly, this was another hair product. Now this one was new to me. I'd never heard of that. I love hair products, y'all. Like, and I really like that IPSY, Boxycharm, whoever you want to call them. I really like how they're giving us more hair options versus like all skincare. You know what I mean? I really like how they're changing the game. So this is by Silk E. And it's just a hair serum. It's a repair therapy with vitamin E, macadamia, and jojoba oils in here. This is paraben and sulfate free mineral oil. Features a miracle oil. I was gonna say, I'm not gonna put mineral oil. Okay, anyways. Miracle oil that features a signature blend of squalene, vitamin E, jojoba seed, macadamia to instantly hydrate, nourish, and add shine. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. You can actually apply this through your damp hair before you heat and style your hair. You can also run this through your dry hair for a glossy finish. So I will definitely keep you all posted on that. I'm really happy with this box. As much as I've probably rambled and carried on and whatnot because Mama's got a lot on her brain, I actually really like the products that I did receive. You know, they chose the palette and the powder, and I like seeing Huda Beauty in here, you know what I mean? So, because we've gotten her palette in the past, so I really like having the Glowish powder in here. I like the hair products and the hand lotion that I picked. This may not be everybody's favorite box, but I'll be honest, I actually really like it. I'm pretty happy with it, you know? So let me show you guys the Shane & Pepper candles that I ordered. I have them, you guys know I love the Good candle. So I've got her candles, which you guys can't see, but I've got her candles here. But I came across Shane & Pepper on TikTok, and they actually, it is a family, and their son started the business. He has a therapy dog, and I know I'm not using the right terminology for that, and I apologize, but he started this candle business when I think he was like 11 or 12, and it was one to shine light on everybody, to help everybody out with all abilities. So neurodivergent, and I think he has cerebral palsy. I do believe, I could be wrong on that, but anyways, he started this foundation. And on top of that, when I came across them on TikTok, they were actually going to have to close down shop. Luckily, for the first time ever, he came across a lot of people's For You page, and a lot of us were sharing and sharing and sharing, and he went viral, and they've been able to keep everything open, and it just makes my heart so happy. These are soy candles, handmade, and it is absolutely beautiful. They've been sitting here for about a week because like I said, there was a lot going on, but they are just the sweetest family. They're from Pennsylvania. I'm gonna have them linked once again down below. I know when I unbox these two candles, this is Your Childhood Cereal, which literally smells like Fruit Loops. It smells so flippin' delicious. And then I got Lush Linen, which just is so flippin' clean. It smells like the most yummiest, delicious, bougiest fabric softener you could ever imagine. That's what that smells like. I love it. But those came in, and I ordered those, and then the next day I went back and ordered 4 more. And how sweet are they? So, oh, they have cards, candle care. So it talks about not over burning your candles, no more than 4 hours, never leave a candle burning unintended. And then it says, thank you for your purchase. Your organic vegan soy candle was handcrafted by All Abilities. And I absolutely love that. So no matter what is going on, they have people there that are helping to make these candles. They're giving people opportunities and jobs that other places would not give them, and I absolutely love that. And Shane's saying is, be the light, be the change. Love that. So they're at shanepepper.com, and then the foundation is theshanepepper.org. So I'll leave all the information down below. Oh, they're so sweet. Thank you. Sorry we missed to put the orders together. Have a great day. You are very kind. Oh, I just love them. They're so sweet. Okay. Hello? Hello? The IPSY. Take some pointers. This is amazing. The reason they said that is when I placed my second order, it literally was probably not even 48 hours. And I was like, hey, I placed this one order, which I didn't even think to give them the order number. But I was like, you could, if it saves you money, just package them together. They've added some new scents. Like, I think it was called Taylor Swift. And I'm like, okay, low-key, that's so adorable. Speaking of Taylor Swift, Kylie Kelsey had actually even placed an order too, which I thought was so cool. Okay, so this one is 1920. Oh, that one smells really nice and clean too. It's a citrus, floral, amber. There's rose, spice, and musk in here. This is what it looks like. And all of their jars are reusable as well. That's really nice and clean. I really like that. And I ripped the boxes like monsters, but here's what they look like. And they're all nice and labeled. And then in here, this one is Puppy Kiss. How cute is that? That is so adorable. Oh, this one smells really nice. Cherry blossom, marine, rose, dark musk, amber, pear, and agave, I think. After IEP meeting. Lord. I had to get this. As a mom who had a lot of IEPs, meetings and everything, when I saw this, I was like, yes. And as a mom who should have had an IEP herself, this one is nice. It's very nice and soft. It is black fig, smoked violet, matte tea, tonka bean, clove leaves, and vanilla bean. It's not very strong or over the top or anything, but it smells really good. And the last one I got was Royal Fluff. Oh, this one smells yummy too. Amber, freesia, light musk, black cherry, plum, and citrus. So definitely make sure to check them out. What is going on? Wait, there's something in this one. And Puppy Kisses? Oh my, how flippin' cute is that? That I did not know was in Puppy Kisses. That is so adorable. Anyways, I'm gonna leave the Shane and Pepper or shanepepper.com listed down below. I will also leave their TikTok, so go check them out. Let's support him and his foundation. I think it's absolutely amazing what he is doing and how he is helping their little small town of Pennsylvania. I think it is just absolutely amazing. So here's to you, Shane and Pepper. That is all for today's video, guys. And like I said, I'm gonna continue filming today, keeping myself busy. But like I said, if I do seem off, 100% your girl's off. But hopefully things will turn around soon. Anyways, check me out on my other channels, TikTok and Instagram. And until next time, friends, I love you guys for being here. Thank you for your support. Thank you once again for those of you sharing my content. I appreciate it. I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna also film my IPSY glam bag that did show up. So here's to keeping myself busy, and until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid.